by Mr. Banyera. Tuigo, bola by the people area, pass! Tuso, rebound by Santon. Warap, rebound by number 12, Berbea. To Sheldon back, to Berbea again, take. Baseline shot. Short this time, pitch ball pass to Yunil. To Bernabe, almost losing the ball. Ball, pass to the wrong man. Keep to Sheldon. Back to Berbea, take. Jump. Basket. There's a foul. Foul on number 17, Mr. Iko. Guluhin nyo na lang. Huwag lang ang boko. Sabi ni Mr. Iko. For the bonus yan. Yes. 3-0. 3-0.
Malakas din yan, pag-complete yan.
Pass to Alan Hall. Stepping on the line. Malaki daw ang sapatos. Bawasan mo ang sapatos mo. Barbera. Bernabe, 30. Bernabe sending the play. Tubay. Pakagin to Bernabe. To Barbera. Lopez. Jumper. Block. By Garrido. The center guy. Oh, power. Tola by the Pupunera. Back to Iko. To Alanaro. Pupunera. Pass. In and out. Power play by Garrido. Power. Yes. Yes, by Mr. Garrido. 2-2. In favor of the white team.
Lakas pagtulong ah. Big time. Oh? Ganda lang yun.
Sheldon. Oh, he's losing the ball. Back to guy. Right. Pass to Tesoro. No one in and out. This ball pass to Yunil. Yunil back to Garrido. Tesoro. Rebound by Alanaro. Alanaro plays. Deep to Iko. The best line shot. Back to Alanaro. The Pupunera. Pass. Tesoro. Rebound by Sheldon. Alanaro. Pass to Garrido. It's up. Bad pass. By the way, last pass. Tumama sa paa. 7 minutes and 25 seconds. 7 minutes and 25. Oh. Diretso lang po tayo. Team. To Alanaro. At the Pupunera. It's a violation. Nice goal by the referee. Barbea, to Bernabe, pitch ball pass to Sheldon, almost losing the ball. Steal by Alanaro. Alanaro, steal by Bernabe again. Bernabe, nagmamadali. To jumper by, yes, by Mr. Pai. Nako, napakadali talaga yun ni Pai. Isa yan sa mga shooter, perimeter shooter. 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Almost steal. But the traffic. Give to Garrido, the center. This one shot, steal. It's a red ball. Bago yan. Laki niya. Pwede, the baseline shot, reverse layup, block. Given by Mr. Iko. Keep the team. Yunil. To Alave. To Iko, the people are at team. Yes, what a better move by Mr. P. A point drive ng Alex Tumbang. 5-4, still lead by the white shirt. To Sheldon at the Pupunera. To Tesoro. Jumper using the ball, in and out. 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Team, Toigo. Cross pass, short is pitch ball pass to Pai. Yes, what a play by the white shirt. 7-4. 3-point lead by the white shirt. Alave. 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Alanaro, back to Alave. Continue nila, the Pupunera. Pass. Tuso. Rubang Alave. Pitch ball pass against to Pai. Pai reverse layup. No good. Continue to Alave. Alave. 2 points. Right. Counting break is the basket. by number 14. Person foul. Shot tayo ulit. Shot na tayo. Shot na. Wala ba ang player? Isa lang? Oh, si May ba, no? Wala si May. Sa kabila. Hermigones, Louis. To number... Defension, good, Tesoro. Number 14. Ito ka lang, wala ka natin. Kaboom! Dahil sa Alabe. 2 point. 10-9. Change favor. 1 point lead. Oh, still. Oops. There's a foul. Foul on number 69. Yobil. First personal foul. Garcia, inbounding. Termigones to Barbera. Perimeter shot. Using the point, no good. Rebound by Sheldon. Follow up. Too strong. Rebound by Alabe. Deep. To Mistiga. Almost touching the ball. To Lizada. Mistiga lang pala. No. Garcia. To Tesoro. Too strong. Okay lang yan. Next time, balo na. Lozada, Tonave, back to Lozada, let it grab it, pass, no, to Barbera. Barbera, starting to play under 2 minutes and 8 seconds. 3 minutes and 8 seconds. Jumper by, shot this time. Ting, running shot, no good. This is a bad error by Alex Tuman. 3. Barbera to buy, take. Pastor Milones na 2-point area guy. Pass, shot is out, rebound. Last touch. Patrenko Company. Alex Tumango. Under 2 minutes and 25 seconds. 2 minutes and 25 seconds. Mistiga ball, Lozada, back. Oh, Sheldon, no. Bad pass of the white shirt. Miscommunication yan. Oh, Lozada, back to Yunil. Almost losing the ball. Lozada, under 1 minute and 45 seconds. Kaway daw. Garcia. Bruna kami. Bago pa Mistiga group. Third time. Apo, nakasot tayo. Bye. To Sheldon. Back Termigones. To Barbera. Perimeter shot. Too strong. Gig to Lozada. Almost. Traveling pass. Too strong rin ang follow-up shot. Yes. 14-9. Lima na po yung ng Alex Tumang. Tesoro. Baseline move. Pass. Using the board. No good this time. Follow by Sheldon. Follow up pass. No good. But there's a foul. Foul number 27. 27. Sabi ko ngayon. Mistiga. First try, Mr. Sheldon. Good. Shoot for the second try. Shot this time. Rebound man number 26. To Yunil. To Alabe. At the second player. Okay. Rising. Rising. No, follow by Mistiga. Yes. Time is for Mistiga. 16-10. 6-point lead. Barbera. Easy basket. 16-12. 4-point lead by the Alex Tumang. Taking it. Yeah, still. Hermigones. Best line shot, short distance, rebound by Tesoro. Pitch ball pass to Dorona, steal by Neil. 9 seconds. 7 seconds. 11. 3-point area, short distance. 3, 2, 1. End of the second quarter. After second quarter? We are entering now for the third quarter. End of the first half. Oops. Second quarter? Second quarter. Entering for the second quarter.
Tatapusin mo agad eh. Nawala yung tao dito eh. Lipat sa kabila eh.
Sino ba to?
Back to the building.
Nakakasok naman kayo.
Bawasan lang.
Bakit naging kwadrado yan? Huwag nyo gamitin. Nakakasok naman eh. Ayos ka?
Yahoo! It's a white ball. Second quarter na po tayo. Second quarter. Sheldon, receiving the ball. To Barbera. Barbera. Sheldon, perimeter shot. Houston. Rebound by Louis. To Bernabe. Barbera. Shot. Rebound by Tesoro. Follow up. Back to the foul. Foul at the back.
Para mga manok.
Numbers 14.
Para mga Texas.
Foul on number 14. Sino yun? Garrido. I think Garrido. Yeah, Garrido. Tesoro for the first try. No good this time. For the second try is good. 9 minutes, exactly 9 minutes. Exactly 9 minutes. Lozada at the first line. Gives to Garrido. Steal. Steal by Yuri. Push by pass to Bernabe. Wow. Steal by Lozada. Lozada to Garrido. Into the basket. Oh. Packet. Follow up. Yes. Wow. Ang hirap din pala yung ganun malaki. A tower. Garrido. Bapera. To Bernabe. Small but terrible. Oh, there's two. Barbera. Barbera. Gives to Bernabe. Sheldon. Block. What a block. Follow up again. Yes. Losing the ball. 18-15. Galing. Ang ganda ng laban po. Iko. Pero, to number 26. Fires. Mago. Nice. Lakas talaga ni Bernabe. Oh, sayang. Sayang. Ang lakas niya pa naman yung Porta po. Ganado. Hakalanaro. Losing the ball. To number 26. Back to 13. Caro. Again. Goes up. Good on by the zero. Hermigones. It's a traveling. Under 7 minutes and 20 seconds. 7 minutes and 20 seconds. What a play. What a matchup of this team. Alanaro. Break. Tugarino. Easy basket. The power center ng Alex Puma. 15-20. Only 5-point lead. Kaya-kaya yan. Tesoro, no goal this time. Rebound by Alanaro. Alanaro. Ulisada, no good. Pagka sa foul. 2 shots by Mr. Ulisada. Under 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Foul ang number 5, Bernabeu. Ulisada. No good. Second round. Good. Shelton, Dempsey, Tulumi, ada tiga nera, pistol, rebound by Garrido. Garrido, pistol pass to Lozada, Messi. What happened? Not the last number, so Mr. Lozada. What a defense by Mr. Bernabeu. Tak. 5 minutes and 30 seconds left. 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Sheldon! Kaboom! Five minutes and 18 seconds. Up. Change play. Change play. Time out. Right.
This timeout is brought to you by Safe Home Flooring and Development Incorporated. Andro Melania, Giselle Gonzalez.
Back to the ball game.
Dalawa pa.
White ball. It's a white ball. Under 4 minutes and 54 seconds. Inaantam na si Liberasyon. Nakatapo. Oh, Bernabeu push ball pass. Again to Igo. Igo. Yes, by Mr. Igo. May kasama pang push doon. Ang galing ni Mr. Igo. Back to Bernabeu. Oh, to number 14. Almost steal. Ang galing. Push ball pass to Igo. Oh. Foul. Kaya wala pa daw rin. Ay boss. 4 minutes and 15 seconds. 17 foul para. 17 foul. Bye. Back to Sheldon. Baseline shot. Using the board. No good. Rebound by Mr. Ka. Oh, pass to Karaklan. Still by Barbera. Easy basket by Mr. Barbera. Barbera. Alabas time lifted by easy layup by Mr. Bar. 2.3 nilambong lamang ng Alex Puma. 2.3 to Alexaro. Fake. Steve Bravo. At the right. Back to sa foul. Foul Mr. 77 by. First foul. 17 foul. Tingnan mo, Tumistika. Fires to the shot. Follow by Howard. Easy basket by Mr. Howard. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Center to Bernabeu. Back to Texon. Bernabeu, Texon, Epo Traffic. To Sheldon. Stepping on the line, said the referee, Mr. Jeff. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Given to Harangan. Arenaro. Pushing the ball. Give to Pepera. Left up. Shot. Follow by Sheldon Mago. Give to Arenaro. Back to number 13. Torino. Easy basket. Yes. Back to Torino. Right. Basket foul. Foul number 5. Bernabeu. Second personal foul. Idol, second personal na. There's a bonus shot by Mr. Iko. The handsome guy. Mr. MVP. Bonus shot. Yes. 28-21. Still ruled by 7-13. Bernabeu. To Sheldon. Sheldon, Dempsey. Back. Give to number 14. Basket. Tesoro. 23-28. Yunul. Tola Toharo. Tulgode. Japo shot. Barbera. To Tesoro, back to Barbera, baseline shot, jumper, no good this time. Follow by Sheldon, yes, by Mr. Sheldon. 28-25, pass to 3-point lead by Alex Tuman. Tigil to Arangaro, left side pass, in out. Ruben Bautista, Mr. Rafael, too strong. Pitch ball pass to Sheldon, pass, no good. Good. Easy basket. Seconds to go. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Tingnan. Tumistika. Papalabot. Foul. 30, sorry. Part of the game. 34 seconds. Part of the game. Pag tinamaan ka sa kamag. Ayan. Nagiging sinasadya. Tingnan. At the triple nila. To Alagaro. Fake. Back to Alagaro. Almost touch, last touch by the Alex Tomangki. 6 seconds. 6 seconds up. Bigyan mo ng bola sa referee. Final yan. Legit yan. To Seldo, to Barbera.